My name is Alan Clasen, and my territories are Oak Brook and Schaumburg in the Chicagoland area. What I enjoy most about working with my customers is that I get to experience with them the process of making a beautiful bathroom for them, and something that they will be proud of, because everyone likes to have a clean bathroom, likes to have something that's nice, and likes to have something that they are proud of, because most everyone has people that visit their home will use a bathroom. I will design and work with them to design a solution for them. As I design that solution for them, I price it, and then we choose together what the end product will look like. And during the install, the customer is invited in to check along the way and see how the install is progressing. And then when it's finished, they sign off and approve the product and the solution, and we don't get paid until the product is complete. What 5-Star offers that is distinctive from my competitors is a product that is quick to install, and in the end is a very high quality product that has a low maintenance. It will last for many, many years. What I do to provide a 5-star experience for my customers is to make sure that when I finish the job and throughout the job, the customer is involved and they are able to participate in the selection of product, and when the product is done, they will be pleased with what they see. I would ask that the customer choose 5-Star of Schaumburg and Oak Brook in the Chicagoland area, because the products and services speak for themselves. And I know that in the end, you'll be satisfied with what you receive.